DHAI stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. DIH Holdings, it's still melting. It's still melting. I'm not trying to be that guy, but it's just the truth. Having done well over 38,000 videos, probably more than everyone else in this space, have all the proof to back it up with all the proof, like all the points and whatnot. With the DHAI, it's still looking like this. What I'm not gonna do is randomly start buying. More so, if there is breaks above 49 cents, then that's going to be a bullish market for me. And I've already talked about this, but again, after once I talked here the next day, we were at 18% down. Did I short sell that? No, because the rules were not met. You know, I'm just chilling. You know, why the hell would I spray and pray? No. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That is a free newsletter. Goodbye and enjoy. It's free sauce, free value.